This is the Seagull models Edge 540. Just going through the features of this with electric conversion. It is a 1.5 meter span, weighs about 2.9 kilos, a bit heavy, goes very fast, and we have in here an 800 watt E-Flight 46 or the Power 46 motor, 13 by 8 propeller. That's a 60 amp controller sitting in there. Cutouts made in the box there to get it in. And then we have a 4S1P 2250 milliamp hour LiPo, an AR7000 receiver, 2 receivers as you can see there. And then we have the DS821 servos, 2 of them for each side of the elevator, and 1 Metal Gear servo for the Tower Pro servo. Oops. The Tower Pro servo for the rudder, and yeah, that part covers all the bits, and it goes like hang. Doesn't quite climb straight up, but it's pretty close, and yeah, it's a good flyer. Oh yeah, and nice separable canopy there. Comes away very nicely, complete with pilot and dashboard and so on.